Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the productivity champ. That is the settings that you can find inside the setting option under notification and achievement. Now this is the achievement badge is given to a member every week. They meet their weekly task goal and they can win this badge multiple weeks in a row to create a hot streak. You can mention the task goal or the specific member from here. And then this can be applied for all of the organization member in a one go globally from here. You can mention the target from here, and once the user achieves the target, he is going to receive this badge via an email. The icon of this can be reset and that can be customized as per your requirement. You can just upload from here. And then becoming a productivity champ, which are future rich solution, they can boost the energy and their output to make the task more seamlessly and productive. This was all about the productivity champ settings. Thank you.